So this one's a little different. There's only 3 problems on here. So I'm just going to do this first one as a little refresh for you. And it kind of walks you through it. So I'll just kind of remind you, maybe this will make more sense than the way I explained it. But the first thing you want to do is you want to get this constant loan. You want to move it over. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides, just like it says. All right, and I'm going to have this new equation that looks like x squared. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in order so I keep my x's together so it's less confusing. So minus 2x, so I'm just moving that over here, plus y squared plus 4y equals a positive 4. Okay, now what you can see that they did is they did x squared minus 2x, and they're saving room for that perfect square that they're going to create. All right, and then same thing for the y. They're doing y squared plus 4y plus saving room for that perfect square that they're going to create for the y's. And then they have 2 blanks here to go ahead and do that. So remember, they take the b term of their equation, which is negative 2. They divide it by 2 and they square it. So negative 2 divided by 2 equals 1. When you square 1, you get 1. So we would put a 1 here and a 1 here. All right, and then the next one, we would look at our b term, which is 4 divided by 2. Well, 4 divided by 2, I'll just rewrite it, equals 2. And then when we square it, we get 4. That's where that 4 came from. So we put a 4 here and a 4 here. Okay, and now we're going to combine all those like terms, and we're going to get a 9, in case you wonder where this 9 came from. And we're going to factor it. So we're going to look at our middle term. All right, and all we need to do is do negative 2 divided by 2, which gives us a negative 1. So that's where we have x minus 1 squared. And then for our y, we're going to do 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And that's where we get the positive 2 for our y. And then we look at our center. It's a positive 1 and a negative 2. That's because we took the opposite. So opposite of negative 1 is a positive 1. We took the opposite of positive 2 and got a negative 2. And then for our radius, we simply took the square root, right? Because the formula is your radius squared, and we got 3. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to graph that circle. I'm going to plot my center over at 1 and down negative 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go out in 4 ways, 4 directions of a radius of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then as best as I can, I'm not the best circle drawer. I'm going to try to draw a circle. Okay, guys, so you're going to do the next 3 problems. And remember, there's not a go formative. You're just going to go ahead and take a picture of your work, whether you printed the worksheet or did it on a separate piece of paper, and turn it into Google Classroom. Okay, guys, hope that helps. Bye.